What is logical reasoning for ninth grade academic success? Have you ever wondered how logical reasoning plays a role in achieving academic success for ninth graders? Let's break it down in a way that makes sense. Logical reasoning is all about thinking clearly and systematically. It helps students solve problems, make decisions, and understand how ideas connect to one another. For ninth graders, this skill is especially important as they tackle more complex subjects in school. When students develop logical reasoning, they learn to analyze information effectively. They begin to identify patterns, draw conclusions, and justify their answers with solid evidence. This skill is essential across various subjects, including mathematics, science, reading, and social studies. At its core, logical reasoning includes several key components. First, students learn to recognize cause and effect. This means understanding how one event can lead to another. Next, they grasp sequences and patterns, which helps them see how things fit together. Making inferences based on given information is also crucial. This involves drawing conclusions that are not directly stated but can be understood from the context. Evaluating arguments and evidence is another important aspect. Students learn to assess the validity of information and decide what makes sense. Finally, solving problems step by step allows them to break down complex issues into manageable parts. In ninth grade, students often face more challenging problems, especially in subjects like geometry, algebra, and science. Logical reasoning equips them to tackle these challenges. By breaking down problems and applying rules accurately, they can find solutions more efficiently. To support their growth in logical reasoning, ninth graders can engage in various activities. Working on logic puzzles or games encourages strategic thinking. Problem-solving exercises that requiring students to explain their reasoning are also beneficial. Writing explanations for answers helps develop both reasoning and communication skills. Participating in discussions where students defend their ideas with evidence can further strengthen their logical reasoning. Teachers play a vital role in this process by asking thoughtful questions that guide students to think critically. Providing opportunities for students to reflect on their problem-solving methods helps them build resilience along with reasoning skills. Improving logical reasoning not only aids in academic performance, but also enhances understanding in mathematics and science. Students who strengthen their reasoning skills often excel in math because they can follow multi-step problems and grasp abstract concepts more easily. Ultimately, logical reasoning for ninth grade academic success means developing the ability to think clearly and critically. This skill helps students navigate new and challenging material with confidence. Practicing logical reasoning regularly builds a strong foundation for all subjects and supports students in becoming independent learners during their freshman year.